Welcome back. So in our previous video we discussed about iterating over hash table. So I made a mistake. So basically in our previous video we tried to get the key set and iterating in that way. That's one way of iterating. So get key set and iterate. So that's the one we did in our previous video. This will work for the hash set and also for the hash map the same way. Get entry set. Entry set means it include key and also the value. Okay, so that's the difference. And iterate. So here we did entry set. So in this case also the key set will work. In the case of key set you need to take get values. In the case of entry set will provide you all the information, so get key and get value will work. So that both will work for HashMap and HashTable. So right now we are going to iterate one. So how we will parse a map using iterator. So not iterator, enumerator. So enumerator is like enumeration. So instead of iterator you are defining enumeration. So enumeration, how we can define, just type enumerate. So enumeration, and in enumeration usually I don't know whether it's some okay, we can make it as a okay. Here what I am going to do is, we know this is the item, right? And we need to find what are the things available. So this is a hash table, and in hash table what are the methods available. So that's the first step to whenever you are going for a iteration. So I need to check for anything available as a enumerator, right? So an enumerator is anything available, so I cannot see anything here, right? So if I am providing the key set, this is set actually. So not in this way I can do old-fashioned approach or something. They are mentioning different approaches, but still hash table, probably I need to check other solution. Hash table enumerator, okay, enumerator, hash table enumerator, how to enumeration display hash table. There are a couple of examples that I am seeing right now. So how, so here is the thing. So there is one element or something, I can't see that here. So it's saying like you have an hash table dot elements will provide, but I am not seeing that here. Probably this one, not sure. There is some elements or something, maybe my okay. So example 2, enumeration keys, saying like keys, it's not saying like keys, saying like this one. It's also a okay HashMap, HashTable. So we have some issues here, so I don't know how we can solve them. So here hash table defined here, then probably I can solve this way. Okay, so if I have enumeration and string or something, okay, and what I'm going to do is I will take hash table here and elements. Okay, in this case it will enumeration elements. Okay, and we will do the remaining in the same way. Elements as okay, I will create a while loop, and what I'm gonna do here are more elements. Okay, and then I will store that into a variable key or something else, and elements next element. Okay, and you need to print that here. So this is the way HashTable will work. For the HashMap, it's not totally different. HashMap we cannot use this one. So get key is a key, and here my HashTable dot get. Okay. So this is the way we can enumerate. So we have some other ways of doing that. So right now we see this one elements, right, and other ways also possible, like instead of this one just copy paste. So this one elements, okay, keys is also a possibility. So it's also provide you the keys, and if you are parsing again, you can see everything works. So there is no okay, I'm not using that one. I need to test this thing. Okay, yeah, right now it's works. So that's a different ways of parsing a map or a hash map or hash table. And in the case of hash map we cannot use enumeration. This is only possible with the hash table. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day again. See you in next video.